Oh, yeah, you are your own special kind of magic. It's true. Don't forget. Hey, hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm up late or early. It's early for me usually, but I've been changing my schedule around, so it's a little bit late. What is it? It's 1:05 in the a.m. That's late by a lot of people's standards. And actually, mm, just on the early side of my regular bedtime, so that explains why I'm a little bit tired. I had band practice earlier, and I have been working hard all weekend because I worked hard the week before that, and a lot of driving, not really hard work, but that kind of draining kind of work. So, anyway, that's aside from and next to what I'm trying to get at, which is that that's some of my special kind of magic. I'm out there living the life that I want to live on the leading creative edge of the life that I want to create for myself, which includes playing music in a rock band, recording my original stuff with music, that is, and writing and ideas uh, with people that I respect and love and who bring out the better in me, having fresh, ever evolving, delightful relationships with really awesome human beings. Uh, Working on my house, getting better all the time, working on improving my car and my wardrobe. All those things are part of my current magic. And biggest and best of all, really, lately, is my big vision for Unity Dragons Community Center, and then 50 more around the globe. I have just a growing network of ideas that just seem really, I was going to say easy, just right, in flow. Not really necessarily easy, although easier than one might think for as big and grand as they sound. And that's how I know I'm aligned and in the right direction. And using my own magic to make it happen. That's what I'm thinking about tonight. I'm getting ready for bed here shortly, but I just was thinking about my magic, thinking about your magic, thinking about how when we all bring our unique magicses, magicses, when we all bring our unique magic to the table, to the floor, to the equation, to this great life that we're all living together, then things get even better. Things get pretty, I was going to say snazzy. That just came out of my mouth. That goes way back to my grandmother, who was pretty magic herself. So I hope you are appreciating the magic that came before you, the magic that's going to come after you, the magic that is surrounding you, and the magic that is in you and coming from you. And utilizing that, celebrating that, showing it off, keeping it secret, whatever works for you right now, whatever is your magic. If you want to tell me about it in the comments, I would love to know. I would love to have a conversation with you about magic, yours or mine, or universal magic, or anything in between. To me, magic's just that beyond our current ability to explain, articulate, and it's actually quite scientific from my frame of mind, but kind of by definition outside of the realm of what science can currently explain. So that's me. That's my definition of magic. Love to hear yours. Tell me about it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about. Tell me about it, whether you like it or don't, in the comments. And until next time, peace, prosperity, positivity, potential, and playfulness.